Oh yeah, kids. The good part. So kids, we made some slime today. Me and Papa. We wanted to test it out first before we did it, and it works out pretty good. Turns out we had this competition. Whoever said ick first gets a snack or whatever, and no one said ick yet. So that's the good part. Those numbers in my eyes, YouTube. So please try to get them out. Thank you, YouTube. I see numbers up there. I don't want to see them. They're in my eyes, and you guys can't see me, I think. So yeah. But this slime, it works pretty good. It's so slime. It's alive. It's alive like snow slime.
I'm gonna go put this pink in the sun.
Okay.
Brighter.
Okay. Sunlight. Oops. Sunlight. Oh, in the sun we go. We have a good time. If any of you know that song from Sonic Force is, that's a really good game. It teaches you about life. That game really teaches you about life. I'm never gonna forget that game. Did it beat Sonic Mania? Did it beat Sonic Adventure? Did it beat Sonic 1, Sonic 2, Sonic 3? That's like one of the best Sonic games of all time. It is the best Sonic game. It's way better than all the Sonic games in the world. Sonic is the best. Kids, I'm gonna press pause for a sec.
Bless you.
Whoa! The blue. Sorry, blue.
All right, so this is the glue we're gonna use next.
We're using the pink one. Pink is next, kids. Sorry that you can't see us, but you can see a few more things. Oh, jeez.
Like some parts are brighter than others.
Ugh, I know.
I'm gonna bring this outside before we do anything.
Okay, press
So,
pause
see
or
if I
no?
can get it brighter.
Alright, let's get it brighter, kids. Even brighter than before! Kids,
Look how bright it is now.
you can see me now! Oh my gosh. Let's see if you can see Papa. Yep, you can see him. Whoa, jeez.
It's really bright once you bring it out into the sunshine.
Yeah.
All right, let me do the mix and I'll do it real quick.
No, I do the mixing.
No, I don't. I want. Let me try it one time.
That means I should do that. Then I get to use. All right.
Still glowing.
You want to? So then I get to choose the food coloring this time.
Want to try it without food coloring? Because it already has color.
All right.
I'll put some of this magic juice in there.
Some magic juice. Oh, kids, I can already feel it.
Okay, hold on.
It would even
Get
put
your
it
hand
in
out of there. Get your hand out of there.
Remember the video
Let me
that
do
we
it. Let
watched?
me do it. Let me do
You're supposed to do the same thing at once. So you're supposed to do that with a friend, I guess. Kids, do you think it will be better or worse this time? Give that in the comments. How about that? Like, kiss me outside. How about that? How about that? How about that? How about that? I love that song. The person who sings that song looks like my mom, and she's a YouTuber now. My mom isn't, but the person who sings that song, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Kick me outside. How about that?
Oh, now it's really sticking on me. Oh my gosh.
This one looks good to you guys, but not to us.
Oh.
Which one do you like more, kids? The pink one or the unexpected green one? Yeah, I don't think we're supposed to use food coloring.
Oh man, it is all over me.
Kids, this is gonna be in our collection of slime.
It's all over me.
Oh my gosh, it is! It's all over him! I think we put a little too much on it. Will this nightmare ever end, kids? Will it or will it not? It ended.
Oh, that looks really cool in the camera.
So this one doesn't look as cool.
Because you got to get it back into the light. Here, you do this one. You do this one. I'll bring this one out in the sunshine. See what it does.
All right.
And I'll be right back.
Oh no! I'm not getting this thing all over me. I'm coming with you.
Where is it? No, don't put it on the table.
So it's just me alone now. You guys seen any good shows lately? Have I seen any good shows? Have you guys seen the Captain Underpants show on Netflix? If you did, it's a good show. Watch it. I dare you to. And you can put that in the comments too. Down below. Let's see if it...
Back to life.
It's back to life! Oh my god, kids, it's back to life. Let's see how you like it now.
Oh, yeah. Lift them up better.
They're both unexpected now.
All you got to do is put them out in the sunshine.
Oh, you gotta do kids. Oh.
Oh, no.
No. Oh, no.
Oh.
Oh my god, how did we do that?
Got a little bit of the pink into the green. That's all right.
And we got a little bit of green into the pink.
Yeah, watch them stretching it.
Yeah. Slime. Oh, jeez, it's stuck on me.
I know.
I
Keep
should
moving it
remember
around.
Oh, I
Just
should.
grab it off. Use it to grab it off your other fingers. Just touch it on it, and it'll come right off.
I'm already good now. So.
Oh, cool. It does work when you put it back in
Yeah.
the sun. Awesome.
So, kids, which one do you like now better? The green one or the pink one? Ah, get it off of me! Get it off of me!
Slime on the head. You gotta spread it out so it stays on there. Yeah, use it like, do it like a pizza dough.
Okay, it's a pizza dough.
Put it in the camera.
Alright, kids, enough of this willy-nilly stuff. Now it's time for us to do the blue. You ready, kids? Blue time. Blue time! Blue time!
Let me put those on the I gotta wash the container, so how about we put it on pause?
Alright, kids. We're gonna have enough of this willy-nilly for a sec. No one has said ick yet, though. That's the good part. No one said it.
I'll start it up just for a second so it keeps it alive.
Oh, kids, the screen might look a little bit different to you because
Here's a new one we're gonna use.
the last one, the blue one.
We brought
but,
the other ones out in the sunlight.
Yeah, I was just gonna say that, but okay. Yeah, we brought
There
the
you
other
go.
ones out in the sunlight. Oh, where is it?
Pour it in there.
And so we'll see how bright that's gonna be. We threw this one in the sunlight too. Looks like the same one as the
Where's the other stuff?
The other one?
Glue.
What other
That's the
glue?
one we used already? No? Oh, there's a pink we used. Okay.
Oh my, jeez.
Need a hand squeezing? Oh, don't get it all over. Oh.
Are we out?
Oh, it sounds like a fuck.
Oh, we're out! Oh, jeez, we're out.
Alright.
Are we out? Kids, we looked at Walmart and it was like so much money. I'm like, what happened to Walmart being cheap? Like, Walmart was so cheap. Like, what happened to it being cheap? Like, it was so cheap. But it's probably because it's new, though. Can I do the mixing this time?
Yeah, go ahead. I'll mix it when I put that in because
Yeah.
it gets harder.
It's harder.
Gotta do it real good.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah! Watching, chocolate.
Alright, you got it mixed good? Yeah. Alright, don't get it all over the place.
Oh, no, please. You said
I can't see.
you have to make the video. You have to do that.
Alright, quick
Alright.
mix.
Quick mix. green one? Why does this look so much like the green? It should be blue. Maybe we should add a little bit of food coloring in this one.
Nah,
I think we should.
it's too late.
Why?
Because you got to add it before you add the saline. Because it won't mix in. It will just splash everywhere. Well, that's getting pretty hard.
I think. Are you done yet?
Almost.
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, it's definitely gonna get all over me.
Do you want me to go get the other one?
Other one what?
The other ones. The other thing's the slime.
No, leave them out in the sun.
Okay.
Can
I feel it?
Yep, let me get all the stuff out of my hands first. And then you can have it.
How long will it take?
Done.
Soul slime! Oh, God. Oh, kids. Oh, God. Ha 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 ha. Down, now, 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 down, now. You can't see me. You can't.
Let's go out and get it bright in the sun.
You
And then we'll bring all
can't
three of them in.
see me.
Ready? Pause.
Pose! Kids, the unstoppable has been unstopped. Whoa. Now which one is the best, kids? Comment down below. Which one do you like the best?
Put them all side by each.
Yep.
All side by side. I like the orange, pink one, or whatever color that is. The
Who's
blue
that?
one in the middle is really bright.
I like the blue one the best. I gotta say,
You
we
got
can't
it?
really see the green one the best, but you guys can see the green one better.
It works good. There's the orange.
There's the blue. And there's the green.
Green slime.
It didn't even...
Don't let it fall on the rug.
It didn't fall off.
How's that look for a hat? Is it in there?
Yeah, it's in there. Kids, how does this look for my hair?
How about on your shoulder?
Oh, no.
Put it on.
No, heck no.
It's on my head. Ah. Yeah, once they get in the sun, they get really bright.
bright.
They re-energize the glow in the dark. Good job.
All right, kids.
Worked out fun.
I said whoever said ick first gets a...
You just said it.
No, I didn't.
You said whoever said ick first. So you did say it.
No!
What?
No, that doesn't count. I said about the
Oh.
slime.
Oh, I think it is icky.
All right. You said it, not me.
Yeah. Oh,
I mean,
man.
I said it because that was the challenge. You said it. All right.
All right, kids.
You didn't say it was yicky, so, but he didn't say it was yicky, but all right. We both get a snack.
All right. We'll see you guys later.
Wait.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs down. But before I leave, I want to tell you a little something. Fate.